If you're experiencing issues with pending transfers on Epic Games, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get your transfers back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Step 2. Restart the Epic Games Launcher. Close the Epic Games Launcher completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the application and may resolve any temporary glitches causing a pending status. Step 3. Update the Epic Games Launcher. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Epic Games Launcher. Check for updates in the launcher settings and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear cache. Navigate to the Epic Games Launcher settings and clear the cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the pending transfers. Step 5. Contact Epic Games Support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Epic Games Support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfer issue on Epic Games. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.